Hello and welcome back to Stackhouse Knives. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. This week we hit 500 subscribers and we are incredibly thankful for getting all of those subscribers and people liking our content, which is really awesome. We want, just because of all the support that we've been getting, we really want to sort of give back in a way. So we're going to do our first Stackhouse Knives giveaway, where we're going to be giving you guys an option of 3 prizes to win. Let me show you what they look like. The first prize is a Stackhouse Knives class voucher. This is valued up to $200. We'll have that information down in the description below. The class voucher is for making a knife. So if you live in New Zealand, you get to come on site for one day and get to make a knife. So that's going to be the first prize. The second prize is going to be a Stackhouse Knives bushcrafter knife, where you will be getting your own convex grind Stackhouse Knives bushcraft knife. So these are really lovely. They're really sturdy and really tough, and we sell these a lot as well. The third and final prize is a Stackhouse Knives white knife t-shirt. You can see the Stackhouse logo there with the little Damascus debber knife there. That's the 3 prizes. Also, I forgot to mention, for the first prize, if you're an international customer, you can't come into New Zealand to do this class. Instead of it being a class voucher, will get store credit. So if you get a commission or a custom piece from us, this will be valued to $200, and you can have this as a voucher rather than a class. So that's how we're going to work it with international customers. The way to enter this competition: if you're a follower on Facebook, like this post and comment what of the 3 prizes you'd like to have and why. If you are a subscriber on YouTube or a new viewer, you're welcome to like, subscribe and comment why you want one of the 3 prizes, and that's pretty much how to enter. So that's the giveaway prizes, that's the rules. We're going to be randomly selecting the 3 winners, whether they be living in New Zealand or international, and we're going to be running this giveaway till the 1st of May. In terms of postage for the items, if you live in New Zealand, it's going to be completely free. If you do live overseas, we will ask you to pay the any of the additional freight costs. So that's the only other little thing about it, but you do get some really awesome prizes for it, and it's just a little bit of shipping costs. So that's the competition. Good luck, and yeah, I can't wait to announce the winners.